Hello. I'm Professor Chiboy. This is the part 4 of the Culinary Arts Knowledge Quiz. There are 15 food and cooking related questions, and you have 10 seconds to answer. Let's start the quiz. Question 1. How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon? The answer is 3 teaspoons. Question 2. What are the 2 main ingredients in meringue? The answer is egg whites and sugar. Question 3. This French term means to cover a food in liquor and set on fire. The answer is flambé. Question 4. This French term refers to the reduction of vinegar and sugar or fruit juice. It's a sweet and sour sauce that you can flavor with just about anything. The answer is gastrique. Question 5. What cooking technique is being used when meat is slowly cooked in liquid at a low heat? The answer is braising. Question 6. This French term literally means goose liver. It describes the fattened liver of both duck and geese. The answer is foie gras. Question 7. What is the process of quickly browning the surface of food by exposing it to extremely high heat? The answer is searing. Question 8. What do you call the tiny cubes of bread, fried until golden brown and crisp, and used as a garnish for soups and other dishes? The answer is croutons. Question 9. Who is the person responsible for getting things done in a specific station in a professional kitchen? The answer is chef de partie or station chef. Question 10. What do you call a large deep spoon used to serve soups, stews, punch, and sauces? The answer is ladle. Question 11. Gumbo and jambalaya are popular foods from which city in the United States? The answer is New Orleans. Question 12. What is the fruit displayed in the picture? The answer is rambutan. Question 13. What ingredient makes bread rise? The answer is yeast. Question 14. Bechamel sauce is a sauce traditionally made from a white roux and what? The answer is milk or dairy. Before the last question, don't forget to comment down below your score and give me quiz topic suggestions. Also, if you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new quiz. And now, question 15. How many ounces in a pound? The answer is 16 ounces. That's it for today. See you on the next quiz.